In this video, you will learn how to clone WhatsApp on your Android smartphone using Samsung's Dual Messenger feature, allowing you to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same device smoothly and safely. To get started, go to the Settings menu. This feature is mainly available on Samsung devices, so make sure your phone supports Dual Messenger. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. This section contains several useful tools that enhance your phone's functionality, including app cloning. Next, look for Dual Messenger and tap on it. You will see a list of supported apps under the Available Apps section. Find WhatsApp in the list. Now simply toggle the switch next to WhatsApp. After enabling it, your phone will show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to install a second copy of the app. Tap Install to continue. Your phone will now create a separate cloned version of WhatsApp. This second app works independently, meaning you can use a different phone number from your original WhatsApp account. Once installation is complete, open the cloned WhatsApp. During setup, you will be asked to verify your second phone number just like a normal installation. After verification, you can start using both WhatsApp accounts on the same device. You may also see an option to manage contacts. You can choose to share your main contact list or enable a separate contact list for better privacy and organization. This helps keep personal and second accounts more controlled and separated. In addition, you can identify the cloned app easily because it usually has a small orange Dual Messenger badge on its icon. If you ever want to remove it, simply go back to Dual Messenger settings and disable WhatsApp. Finally, this is a simple and effective way to manage two WhatsApp accounts on one phone without installing third-party apps.